Today we're going to be showing you how to install the decorative gap panels on the ProMaster Super High Roof. There's 3 pieces to this set. We've already installed them here. The regular panel goes just like the other one does. We'll show you how to put that in. And then there's 2 pieces that butt up to each other. The key is to keep them flush with the chassis edge here, and they'll come out and they'll look great. We'll show you how to do them on the other side. We'll start with the long piece that goes behind these bolts here. And you want to get this top edge to stop right where this edge starts here on the chassis. Right about there. First thing you do is pull back the tape just a little bit, not all the way. Stick it back in there and line it up with the top. Right about there. Pull against the bolts. Tack it with your hand. And just press it in just a little bit on top. And then as you go down, you can pull the tape off like this. Keep it close here. Push it in just a little bit. And then finish the tape all the way down and press it into place. The next 2 pieces up top, we want to make sure this is how they're going to go. Okay, that way they fit the outside of the frame like this. We'll start with the bottom piece. What we want to do here is the frame bends right here. So that's your stop point for the first piece. Take a piece of tape off. You might as well take it all off. Remember to keep this edge flush with the chassis. You put it in. And once you have it right about where you want it, stick it on there. Set to go. You can get your hands behind there. Pull it towards it a little bit. Get it nice and taut. Second piece we put right on top of that. Take the tape off. This goes upside down. A little bit more tricky this way. You'll definitely need a ladder. So when you get to the point where you're ready to stick this on, tack that against there. Make sure it's flush against the chassis like this.
And then stick it on.
Pretty simple. And that's it. So you go to bottom piece, top piece. If this is bending out a little bit, you can always push back just a little bit. But just make sure it's pushed in. These are flexible, so you can use this and push those in to make sure they're secure. And that's it.